Hello, my JCC English 112 students, fall 2019, and this is week 9. Woo! Hang in there. We have a fall break next week, so get to this week and then we'll be okay. All right. But before we go on fall break, we're going to introduce the proposal paper. This is the big paper for the whole semester. We have a few more assignments that'll be due that are considered high stakes, but this is the big one. The big one. Boom, 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 boom. So if you've done your annotated bibliography and actually spent some time and effort into it, writing this proposal paper won't be that bad. Actually, it really won't, because you've done a lot of the research already, and you should have a general idea of what you want to do. It's just a matter of kind of, laying it out there. All right, so what will help you is that there is some information in your textbook that'll help you about that. Okay, and what are we doing this week? Well, there is a quiz on proposal arguments. Okay, so again, if you kind of read this information here in the textbook, and you can take the quiz right there. Oh, the quiz is down here. Also, there is a lecture that explains the proposal argument, this assignment, in depth. So we won't spend a lot of time in this video that you're watching right now. This video here explains that. Okay, and then you have a research log to do, which is that. Now it says note these dates here, okay, because nothing is due next week. Actually, they said this is the 10th. Nothing is due next week because it is fall break. Okay, so do not. I'll change that. They'll say October 10th. So for fall break, don't do anything. Okay, you have a couple of weeks to get some stuff done. Maybe get this stuff done before you go, and then just enjoy your fall break. I don't want you doing any work during fall break. Okay, so the actual proposal assignment, this paper that you have to do, if you click here, it'll kind of walk you through the assignment. Okay, what needs to be done. Okay, so basically this is a 5 to 7 page paper. Oh, it's going to be okay. It's going to be APA formatting, just like we've been doing. Okay, you need to have 5 to 7 scholarly sources. Now you should have at least 10 already found, because you did that for your annotated bibliography. You don't have to use all 10 for this paper. You only need to use 5 to 7 of them. Okay, and then here's your outline. Basically, you're basically saying, okay, this is the problem. This is kind of what needs to be done. Okay, what other people have tried to do to solve this problem. Did it work? Okay, what is your solution? Okay, what are the specific steps that's going to resolve this? Okay, and is it feasible? Okay, so there's all that. And again, this is much more explained in the video that is posted right here, proposal. So if you watch this video, this explains this a lot more in detail, and then this video also gives you the answers you'll need for your quiz. All right, and then the research log 9 is, at this point you should have received back your rhetorical analysis with my comments on it, as well as your annotated bibliography. So those two big assignments we've done, the annotated bibliography and the rhetorical analysis, have been graded, and then you should have comments and feedback. Okay, read back on those assignments with my comments, and then basically you could write a paragraph of at least 300 words about what you did well and what you kind of struggled with. Okay, what did you feel you did well in the assignments? What do you need to work on? Okay, and then what are you going to do to make these better? Because we still have assignments to do. So kind of a reflection time to say, okay, well, I've done a couple of big assignments. What were my strengths? What were some things I needed to work on? So there is that. Okay, and then again, if we go to the course schedule, you will see that here we are in week 9. Let's kind of go down here. So week 9 right here, okay? And then we have fall break. Woo! And then we pick up again on October 24th. So, what I would do if I were you is get these two things done, take the quiz and do the research log before you go on fall break, so you don't have to worry about it. And then you go on fall break and then just enjoy your life. And then you come back on the 24th and we start working on the proposal paper. Okay, so we're not even really working on the proposal paper. We're just kind of introducing it, and then you can work on it when you get back. All right, so that's it for week number 9. Yeah, week 9. Woohoo, week 9. All right, do it and enjoy your fall break.